Yes. Let's give it.
In the 10th yellow
Sini Don Bosco Kairei Mandai Higher Secondary School annual day but annual sports sing khalei tongo o annual sports sini chief guest ngai phaimanjak phaika Don Bosco rogni bodolni Father Kotor eba Father Provincial hono chunbono Shillong province ni bo tini nograi okra ngai manjagai Panda Cheng Samani no Cheng Sarika Thumung Cheng Sarjaka 2025-26 ni o thungmungo wangma batailai mungka obo salpham rambai o thungmung batailai mungnai a thungmung batailai mung tongo Silabri ni khachik mong bahar mong tai oma ke wangma dal bidal khelabo tongo tai a khelano songsawi ki khana bagai wangma chini school authority principal tai oino father rok tai teacher rok tai student rok joto milwei o khelano jeng khalei tongo tamni himba khela angka srung bai krungjak khela srung aboni bini kinang kaham krunggo a khelano tisai klana bagai belai ke saktare ini Don Bosco laijagoi tongo oboni bisingo umau farok nibo batai mingrok kha tai jeng puila dino chengsaire mane umau phano tei chengsaire mane kai marathon race eba hachal khaching mong abo baina chengir jakka aro belai ke mochangei belai ke naito thokke chengir jakka sini mandai amchayo omo hairong no nogoi jotono khathathung jakka tai omo hai samung tebo kaham khaijak nai hinai Don Bosco ni yapri na harjak tongo ni sinemu ang kangkai sar mchang jamatia Don Bosco ni no senior most kharaksa phungnai jotona hambai
that we had also marathon race in the morning that I remember, and this year for the annual sports day, especially for this inauguration, this program. Thank you very much for your beautiful programs, for the dances and for the songs. Fathers have already said the importance of sports in our education. Through the sports, one more thing that we learned is to be able to persevere, to be resilient in pursuing our goals, to achieve something, not to give up. If you want to be successful, if you want to reach your goal, you cannot give up. Even though it is difficult, you have to strive forward. You must continue to strive for perfection. So as we are competing each other through various athletic events that we are going to have, that we are trying our best and we are trying to achieve something, and we should not give up as long as we can. And so in life too, this is that life is full of challenges. It is not easy. And so because of the difficulties, because of some obstacles, we should never give up. That's why there is
to be able to respect and honor the others, observing all the rules and regulations and the discipline that is involved. When we have annual sports day, all of us, we compete, we participate, many of us, some of us are good at jumping, maybe high jump, long jump, shot put, or triple jump, javelin throw, sack race, and maybe musical chair and other items. Few of us come out victorious. We compete, we forget about, let us say, pain and suffering for time being, and we really run and try our best. We had seen in the last 2 weeks ago maybe, 1st of November we had the marathon race, including the parents. They had also participated.
And 2008, the Paris, and by the blessings and graces of God and all the help and support from Mother Mary and our father and founder Don Bosco, we have been making progresses step by step, and Father Provincial is here with all his blessings. We have been receiving blessings upon blessings, and therefore we can make progress, and we have been making progress, and we are happy on this day. And I welcome all of you as well to this celebration. Let us celebrate this annual sports which we have begun with marathon race on 1st of November, and we are in the sports events mood and mode, and let's today, tomorrow and